Hi, this is Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom. If you don't know me, I am a computer and high school business teacher, and I love helping students create YouTube channels and start their journey. So I started my journey in 2021, hence my name, TCC 21. And over here, I've taught in so many schools, but the current recent school I'm at, I've been there 2 months. So you're going to see, I only met like three YouTubers. So the three YouTubers are listed here, but they haven't been consistent. I mean, I try to motivate them. I buy them mics and things they need. But again, like I said, it takes that special person to be consistent, to can be dedicated. And I have a top 10 here. So right now, my nephew is number one, and Kai Tu Fly, that's my son. My son put my nephew first because he just joined. And but I think my son is definitely number one. He's been consistent over 100 days. And it was pretty cool because yesterday he got a shout out on this Ali A. If you are watching this, my students, you who are on Fortnite, you know this popular YouTuber. I just learned about him. I subscribed, but it was a great motivator for him and all his friends because everyone's talking about it now. And the video was titled, I think it was like Fortnite, like players with no views or something. It's kind of catchy and cool. And he spoke about my son streaming. It was like day 51. So currently he's over 100. He's like 102, still doing his thing, still positive, still dedicated. So it's nice to see that. He even opened up a second channel on Minecraft. So he's doing great. And then I'm here to just encourage you as well. So you never know. There could be that huge YouTuber shouting you out, giving you that advertising. It's free advertising, and you'll see. I'm pretty sure the channel will grow. My channel will grow um, just because we're talking about it. And hopefully, this is inspiring you as a student, as a high school student there. I'm here, especially those freshmen. You're coming into high school as a freshman. We have 4 years together. We could build our channels. I can help you build your channel. And then hopefully these students, come on, let's go, get on my top 10. You know, every student who's consistently posting, if you have that passion and just learning, creating content, learning. So you can click on view all. If this is your first time to my channel, you'll see all the student YouTubers. Some play basketball over here. Others are on like soccer teams. I play Division I soccer. I know how hard it is. I was a walk-on for Stony Brook University. So my advice is create a YouTube channel. I wish I had coaches and stuff like that to see how good I was back then. I know times have changed, but you should definitely, if you are an athletic person, post all your great goals, all your amazing moments on social media. So you have recruiters following you and seeing what you do. As far as YouTube, I'm still doing my thing, posting content, helping you guys get jobs, anything business, save money, Microsoft Excel. You know, I'm a good fan of, I love watching Jaspreet Singh and Robert Kiyosaki talk about money and real estate. So those are a couple of passions that I have. And then helping student YouTubers. Entrepreneurship is a huge passion. Not being able, for me, working for so many companies, so many jobs. I've worked retail, I've done Grubhub, Uber Eats. A lot of my students, they know my story. They can take a look at my resume, and I have a ton of various work experience from driving, from retail sales. Was never in the food industry, and then teaching different school districts, teaching in the jail setting, in those rough districts. So, and even in those very affluent districts. So a little bit of everything from the city, from working in the Bronx to suburban New York, New Jersey. That's all me, licensed in both states, real estate licensed as well. And just helping students. Helping students is what I love to do. And I'm hoping this inspires a lot of YouTubers to follow their passion, to just kind of record what they do. And I'm just kind of excited. I'm excited for my son. I'm excited for all his friends and their channels because they're also they're going to grow. And this has definitely inspired them. Having a shout out on a person of this magnitude is awesome. It's great. And now with me as a teacher and all the students I teach, it's also a huge thing. So thank you, Ali A. I don't know you, but thank you so much. Thank you. You don't have no idea how this impacts a lot of my entire school body, really, of a huge high school. Like there are 3,000 students, students I haven't met yet, and I'm pretty sure they're going to be future YouTubers I will meet and work with. So thank you once again, and I'm so glad to share this little clip. So here's the clip, and I'll show you my son's channel after that. And thanks again. All right, until next time. Bye. All right, so here's my son's channel. He kind of separates it with me. He has sub to these channels. I'm there as well. I know his friend Nate is here. He has his siblings. Past live streams, you'll take a look. He's on day 104. So talk about being consistent and dedicated. This is a good example of what I'm talking about. All my videos, his shorts, popular videos. And then he also has playlists, and he engages his community like I do. So post things like that. He's thankful to even have these subscribers, always giving shout outs, thanking you guys, which is important. Love it. And then he's 14 years old. And he added a bunch of, this is new, I haven't seen this, Twitch. So he added a couple links here. He even added his friends, Nate's channel, second channel, TSX. I don't know who that is, probably another friend. So he's constantly adding content, which is nice to see, and links. 383 videos. Perfect. All right. Thanks again. Till next time. Bye. So thank you, Ali A. I don't know you, but thank you so much. Thank you. You don't have no idea how this impacts a lot of my entire school body, really, of a huge high school. Like there are 3,000 students. Glad to share this little clip. So here's the clip.
7 out of 10. Streaming Fortnite every day.
No, dog.
Day 51.
Boy.
What is he even playing? Yeah, bro has actually been streaming every single day. And look, like to basically no viewers. This guy is dedicated. For the dedication alone, I believe you 8 out of 10. But maybe need to stream at a slightly higher quality. But you're good at editing. He's good at Fortnite. This guy...